Hello everyone and welcome to Tesla Tales UK, the channel that provides you with all the latest information on Tesla here in the UK. I'm Richard and in today's episode we have a comprehensive update on the recent developments, statistics and news from Tesla. Let's get started. Firstly, let's discuss Tesla's recent performance in the UK market. Tesla has been gaining significant traction worldwide and the UK is no exception. In 2023, Tesla witnessed an impressive 25% surge in sales compared to the previous year. Last year alone, over 50,000 new Tesla cars were registered on British roads. While the Model 3 continues to be the top-selling model, the Model Y is quickly gaining popularity, highlighting strong affinity that British consumers have for these electric vehicles. Moving on to the UK's electric vehicle market, it is evident that Tesla leads the way. As of the end of 2023, Tesla holds a dominant share of the EV market in the UK, surpassing all other automakers in this space. The popularity of the Model 3 and the Model Y plays a significant role in this achievement, as they offer a desirable combination of performance, range and affordability. Tesla's efforts, however, go beyond just selling cars. The company is actively expanding its supercharger network throughout the UK. Over the past year, Tesla has added 150 new supercharger locations, bringing the total to over 600 stations nationwide. This extensive network facilitates convenient charging for Tesla owners, ensuring they are always prepared for long journeys. Tesla aims to make superchargers easily accessible across the UK, assuring convenience regardless of location. Additionally, Tesla's energy products have made a notable impact. The Powerwall specifically has gained popularity amongst UK homeowners seeking to store renewable energy. In the past year, installations have doubled as more Brits embrace solar power and battery power storage to reduce energy costs and their carbon footprint. Tesla's energy division proves to be a revolutionary as the automotive ventures. In terms of innovation, Tesla has exciting developments on the horizon. The highly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck, set to debut on UK roads by 2025, with its futuristic design, impressive specifications and surprisingly affordable price range, it has already created significant buzz. Pre-orders are open and the UK shares the world's enthusiasm for this remarkable vehicle. Additionally, the Tesla Semi, an electric truck designed to transform freight transport, will make its way to the UK soon as well. The Semi promises lower operating costs, zero emissions and performance that is poised to revolutionise the logistics industry. Now some insights into Tesla's finances. In Q1 of 2024, Tesla showcased a strong performance with a 15% increase in revenue compared to the same period last year. Higher vehicle deliveries and growing demand for energy products contributed to a boost in Tesla's operating income. Tesla's commitment to innovation and expansion has proved fruitful, allowing them to maintain a leading position amidst the electric revolution. This kind of wraps up today's episode for Tesla enthusiasts. We've covered a wide range of topics, including soaring sales, infrastructure expansion, innovations, new products, and financial success. How do you feel about Tesla's recent developments here? Are you excited about the Cybertruck and the Semi? Share your thoughts with me in the comments below. If you'd enjoyed today's video, please give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tesla Tales UK for regular updates on Tesla news and information. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. I'm wearing these teething for the dog. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.